Hi everyone, my name's Jim from Fuji Spray, and in today's Spotlight video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the air cap set on your Fuji Spray HVLP spray gun. Now, before attempting any sort of change, make sure that the gun is completely clean and the fluid passages are free of material. For more information on how to clean your HVLP spray gun, be sure to subscribe to Fuji Spray's YouTube channel. The first step is to remove the needle so that you don't damage it while changing the air cap set. Start by removing the fluid control and needle spring. When removing the needle, engage the trigger so the needle pokes further out the back of the spray gun. This will make it much easier to grasp onto. Next, take the collar and the air cap off. Then, take off the fluid nozzle. Loosen the nozzle with the wrench that came with your HVLP spray gun. If loosening the fluid nozzle is hard, rest the spray gun on its right side and use your body weight for more leverage. Once loosened, take off the fluid nozzle. Make sure the spray gun is facing the ceiling so all front components stay in place after removing the nozzle. Now that you have completely removed the air cap set, you can install a different one. Thread in the fluid nozzle by hand. It should go in easily. When you can't turn the nozzle by hand anymore, use the wrench to tighten it. This creates a proper seal and prevents material from seeping out through the threads. Next, install the matching air cap and secure it with the collar. Now you can install the matching needle, needle spring, and fluid control. And that's it. If you have any questions, give Fuji Spray a call at 1-800-650-0930 or send us an email at info@fujispray.com. Thank you so much for tuning in.